Welcome to Label Resizer. In this video, we'll briefly show you how the Transparency Label Maker tool works. After logging into Label Resizer, first select the Compliance menu, then choose Transparency Label Maker. Next, select a transparency layout. There are 4 different layouts to choose from, each with its own size and containing different sets of information. Once you've chosen a layout, move on to the Call to Action options. This is the message that will appear on your labels. You can enter your transparency label data in 2 ways, manually or in bulk. Let's first take a look at the manual input option. First, enter the information that ensures the correct transparency label is applied to the correct product. This information can be a SKU, product ID, or lot number. Now it's time to enter the transparency codes you've received from Amazon. Just add them 1 per line. To insert a new row, click the plus button. And if you want to delete a row, simply use the trash icon beside it. Keep in mind that each transparency layout asks for a slightly different set of details, so be sure to complete the required fields for the layout you've selected. When you click the Get Transparency Label button, your labels will be created as a PDF file. They will be downloaded to your computer and opened in a new browser tab for your convenience. Now let's take a look at the bulk input option. First, make sure you have your transparency codes ready in CSV format, a single column with no header. Then, simply drag and drop your CSV file into the area shown in the bulk input section. A pop-up will appear where you'll need to enter the additional details required for the layout you've selected. Once everything is filled in, click the Get Labels button and your transparency labels will be generated and automatically downloaded to your computer. Label Resizer, all-in-one solution for your labeling needs.